Hi, I'm Mayor Tim Balderman. I'd like to welcome you to this edition of Community Business Spotlight. Joining me today is Sheila Koval from Newsome Physical Therapy. Sheila, thanks for being here today.
Thank you for asking me.
Absolutely. Tell us a little bit about your business.
Our business consists of physical therapy services, which involve evaluating and treating people with injuries such as back pain, neck pain, shoulder pain, knee pain. We also offer hand therapy services, which provide occupational therapy services to individuals, as well as we offer massage therapy and Pilates classes to individuals in the community.
Wow, that's fantastic.
Right.
And where are you located?
We're located at 412 Nelson Road at the Nelson Plaza, which is across the street from Jewel, right next to the movie gallery.
Oh, very good. Now, you talked a little bit about some of those services. Tell me a little more. You're talking about hand therapy, massage therapy. Tell me how that all factors into the physical therapy.
Well, many people come in here with many different diagnoses, and some of the people will come in here with specific injuries such as carpal tunnel syndrome or a trigger finger, and that needs to be seen by a specialist. And we have a certified hand therapist, and she comes in a few days a week to treat those injuries, because we found in New Lenox there weren't that many individuals that treated those injuries. So our occupational therapists come in and treat those, as well as we provide services for the physical therapy people. And then we've noticed those individuals who really need to continue with massage therapy after they get done with the physical therapy. So that's why we decided to provide those services for those individuals.
That's good. Now, you're the director and owner of Newsome.
Co-owner.
Okay.
I'm in business with Greg Newsome, who owns 20 centers, and we were the seventh center to open in New Lenox. So we've grown.
That's great. And how long have you been open in New Lenox?
We've been open for 12 years.
Wow.
We were the first independent private practice other than the hospital settings. So.
Very good. Now, you talk about carpal tunnel. I know that's something that's really come on recently in years. I would imagine as those sort of things happen, as the type of work that people are doing, the type of activities that they're participating in, your job probably is changing all the time, evolving all the time. Is that correct?
That is correct. We are getting totally different injuries based on people's work environment and their stress environment. So that has changed the way that we've had to learn different techniques, treatment techniques.
And that's great. Now Newsome has 20 different locations, you say?
Right. We have 17 in the state of Illinois, and we have, I believe, 2 to 3 in Ohio.
Okay, good. And have you been here at the New Lenox location the whole time? Or?
Yes, I grew up in New Lenox, went to school here in New Lenox, went to college in Chicago, and then my husband and I decided to move back in this area, and always wanted to open up my own place of business in the town I grew up.
Well, that's wonderful. What is it that you like about having a business here in New Lenox specifically?
I really enjoy providing quality treatment to individuals that I feel really need in the community. So that's the biggest goal of my services, is to give the people as much information as well as provide them with the best form of care in the community.
That's great, and we've got such a diversity of people that are living here, from the young kids that are very active that unfortunately sometimes experience some injuries. We've got a great empty nest population that's here too, that experiences, just with aging, some illnesses or injuries and that sort of thing. So do you have a pretty diverse group of patients that come in and out of there?
We do. I mean, we treat orthopedic injuries from the young children all the way up into the geriatric community, which has been very rewarding in that respect, because we can really see some major changes and really help people get rid of their pain. So it's been very rewarding.
That's fantastic. And it sounds like you may start doing one thing, and then, like you said, they continue on with massage therapy or something along the lines, right?
And also, when we provide free injury screenings, and if we feel someone in our network needs to provide other services, because we have individuals that provide services in women's health, also individuals who provide services for foot therapy, including a ped specialist, which is at our Joliet Center, and he makes his own orthotics, and he goes around the country teaching and providing information to other physical therapists. So we have a wide network of people to rely on, that if we are having problems with our patients, we can either refer to other individuals.
That's great. So you've got some really talented people on staff who know what they're looking at, right? Yeah.
Right. That's the nice thing about our Newsome Physical Therapy, is a lot of us have been out there for a long time, have gained a lot of knowledge and treatment techniques and would try to provide as much care as we can to those individuals.
And it sounds like you stay on top of it as all these new injuries come in. It's a never-ending process, like we said. For you.
Right. It's continuing education is very important.
Oh, that's fantastic. Well, you told us an awful lot about what you do. Anything else you want our residents to know?
No, I think if they want to get a little bit more information, they can look up on our website, newsomept.com, and that gives a full overview, and they can click on myself, and it'll give them a little bit of information regarding my experience and where I went to school and how many years I've been a therapist, as well as my other 2 physical therapists that work for me and the hand therapist.
And I find that I say this quite a bit on this show, but it really is very nice when you see people who have got some roots in the community that enjoy the community so much that they want to make their business life here as well. So thank you for that and for all you do for New Lenox.
You're welcome.
All right, and Sheila, thanks for being here today.
Thank you for having me.
Yes, and I want to thank all of you for watching this edition of Community Business Spotlight.